This video will quickly walk you through installing our Westminster on-campus printers by utilizing the SelfService application. We'll begin by clicking on the Finder icon located on the left side of the dock. Once the Finder window is open, we now want to click the Applications icon located in the sidebar. Once our applications are presented, scroll until you see an item labeled SelfService. Go ahead and double-click this application to launch. Once SelfService has launched, you'll be presented a window that requests your Westminster username and password. These are the same credentials you used to log into your computer. We'll go and enter those now. Upon login, SelfService will present you a landing page of featured items, and on the left side of this featured page is a column of categories listed alphabetically. If we scroll down, we'll see an item listed Printers. Click Printers, and you will now be shown the Westminster Printers installation item. Please note that the Westminster Printers installation item's name will vary slightly based on your role here at the school, as you can see on display here for students or employees. Our next step is to click Install. SelfService will ask us to confirm if we do indeed want to install the Westminster printers on our system, and as we of course do, we'll click Install on this dialog. We next wait the few moments that it takes for SelfService to set up and configure the Westminster printers on our computer. As a part of this SelfService installation process, a PDF guide will be saved to your desktop as well as automatically launched that explains how to print and set options from your computer, such as color printing, and of course retrieve any materials from the various Westminster printers across campus. Your computer has now been successfully configured to print to any of our on-campus printers using the singular Westminster Printers queue. We hope you have found this quick video guide to be helpful. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us at help@westminster.net should you have any further questions regarding installing and setting up our on-campus Westminster printers. Thank you, Wildcats!